Hello guys and welcome back to Unmasked Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Black Ops 6 error code game underscore MS store underscore ship.exe, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is, if you have Black Ops 6 downloaded through Steam, you can go over to Steam, right click on it, hit run as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can go over to library. From library, scroll down until you see Call of Duty, right click on it. I don't have it installed, so I have to use a different game as an example. But once you right click on it, hit properties, go over to installed files, and then click on verify this game's files are installed correctly, and hit verify integrity of game files. And what this does is that if there are any corrupt game files, that will basically just remove them, and then you can go ahead and start up Call of Duty. You can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is simply just perform a network reset, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord from your Wi-Fi router. Once that's done for about 30 seconds, you can plug it back in, and I highly recommend restarting your PC right after as well. And yeah, the third method you guys can do is go ahead and update your drivers. And on NVIDIA, you can go over to GeForce Experience and just update it from there. And then that should be it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.